Today at Ultimate Motors, we have a 2013 Audi A7. Just a quick walk around this A7. It is a Premium Plus, so it has LED front headlights as well as DRLs. Premium multi-spoke wheels. It's a big brake kit. It is a supercharged V6. It has heated front and rear seats as well as a heated steering wheel. It does have the cold weather package. All-weather floor mats, hands-free audio and calling. Has parking assist front and rear with a rear view camera. Premium audio, navigation, and more. Let's take a look inside. It does have keyless entry. The key fob is in your pocket. Push to lock. Pull to unlock. Wood grain trim, black interior. Let's start it up, see how it sounds. On the left side, we have automatic windows, two-person driver memory, lock and unlock, headlight settings, steering wheel right here. You have down a gear and up a gear for your paddle shifters. On the left side, you can control your center screen, give your speed, trip information, more. We can hit right. Gas or warnings, excuse me. Here you have your Bluetooth connection for your phone or audio. Hands-free calling and navigation. Keep in mind, this setting changes for any music options you might have. We go to radio. Different options appear. On the right side, volume up or down, navigation info, hands-free commands, and a heated steering wheel. The center screen, which folds out, is Audi's MMI, controlled by this knob right here, and all the buttons surrounding it. Let's go to car first. Here are different driving modes: comfort, automatic, dynamic, and individual. You can set individual as well. Transmission and engine settings, comfort or auto, dynamic. Same with steering and your seatbelt tensioner. Moving on, your telephone. Right now it's not hooked up. Basic information for your car's Connect system. Navigation. Destination input. Last destinations, POIs. Start guidance, the map, favorites, and your directory. You have media. You can hit source on the top right. Jukebox, SD card, DVDs, AM, FM, and satellite radio, as well as aux and Bluetooth. Lastly, you have a radio, as said before. If you know below, the presets are these tactile buttons right here. Lastly, you have tone, subwoofer, bass, treble, etc. Go back to the main menu. You can set up your MMI on the top right. Go back. Time on the top left has more settings. Back to your main menu. Farther below, you have a CD and disc changer and DVDs as well. 2 SD card slots and a SIM card slot. This turns off auto start and stop. Parking assist. This raises the rear spoiler. This turns off traction control. Has dual zone climate control. Temperature settings. Automatic mode. Heated seats for the driver and passenger. You have fan speed and directional settings, as well as off. It has an electronic parking brake, start and stop button for your engine, volume up or down, songs forward and backwards, MMI control system, 2 cup holders in the center, and a dual level center console. Excuse me. You have Audi Connect things right here, with a 12-volt outlet right here. Has a backup camera as well. Put in reverse. Lines come up for the rear. Move with your steering wheel. Park sensors front and rear, which will light up when you come close to something. These buttons right here. Reset your odometer. There's a button right here. Folds the screen away. Up top, you have reading and map lights. As well as 3-door garage home link. Let's check out the back seats. Heated seats in the rear, vents for the back, a little cubby for the center storage, folding armrest. Let's open up the rear hatch. The rest right here is the rear spoiler, which comes up when you push the button or at speed. All weather mats. The rear seats do fold down. Storage inside. A tether on each corner. Does have a little cargo net on the side right there as well. Below this all-weather mat, you have tethering points, 4, 1 on each corner. Moving on below, spare tire, jack and tools. Rear parcel tray plus cover. Protection from the outside so people can't look in. Let's pop open the hood. Powered by a 3-liter supercharged V6. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at ultimatemotorsva.com or on Facebook at Ultimate Motors VA. Thank you.